All right, we're working on 2014 Chrysler Town and Country. See if we can get the tensioner, the pulley tensioner, replaced, making some noises. Let's see if we can get that taken care of. As you can see, took the tire already. Took the tire off. It's not needed. You can technically get in there and get it done without it, but it's just better that way. Another thing, this van is already missing the inner fender, but you need to take that off to get to it, because it will be on your way. And next up will be taking the plastic cover off. And let's go from that. It's off. There's the tensioner right there. Alright, so this is what it looks like, the whole pulley. You can see it from down here. And so let's see how it goes. Alright, this is the tensioner. This is what we're gonna replace, this on the free pulley right there. So it goes above the tensioner, below, or around the that's the power steering, then above the pulley, and then it comes all the way above and around. This is the alternator right here, and then it comes down. The pulley's the belt, I mean, it comes down to the air compressor, which is right here. See if we can see it. Yeah. And then it goes up. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it goes up to the water pump, and then it comes down to, I forgot what this one's called, and then it goes around again to the tensioner. That's important to know. Very important to know. Alright, so with the 3/4, we're just gonna loosen up the tension there. You imagine it. Tension. I don't know if we can put this tension right there. I might not have a lot of room for it. There we go. So with that, we get the pulley loosed. We can just take it out. It's just easy to take it out of the. It's easy to take it out of the water pump. There we go. Keep that in mind to put it back home. Just take it out from the water pump. The bell officially off. All right, so this is a 16 millimeter. 16. All right, this is the hole. Let's just get the new in right away. Make sure they look the same. Pretty much the same thing. You tighten it up. Good enough, but don't break the bolt. And give it a test. Oh, nice and tight. Perfect. Now, let's take this other pulley out. That's the free flowing one. Let's just take it out and replace it. Okay, so this is the other pulley I'm talking about. That one right there. That's our tensioning. Let's just replace that one. It is a 13 millimeters. 13 millimeters. All right, we got this out. Let's put the new one in. But before, just make sure you got the same piece. Make sure that they have the same amount of threads in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, and that way you know you got the same piece. Take these below. Alright, we hook the bolt to the new one. And let's get it in there. Let's make sure it gets really tight in there. Now let's work on putting the belt in place. Belt, just do the same thing. Make sure you have the same thread. This is the old one. This is the new one. Make sure they have the same amount of thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. There's the old one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just put it in there backwards. Now to get the bell, let's see if we remember. It was around the steering pump, above this one, And then it came straight above this one, dropped down to the air compressor, and it came up to the water pump. It dropped down to, I forgot what this thing's called. And it came around the tensioner, the pulley tensioner. So the way we're gonna do this, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold the phone and do it at the same time. But the way we're gonna do this, we're just gonna set it up. We're gonna leave the water pump loose. This is gonna be the last one we're gonna put on. The reason why is because it doesn't have these grips. It doesn't have that type of grip, and it's just gonna be easy to slide it on. It doesn't have that type of grip. I don't know if you can see right there on the right here on the alternator. It's more straight, so we're just gonna slide it on that. Now the last step, we're gonna put it over the water pump. You gotta put some tension in this. Release the tension. There we go. Alright, that's in place. Now one thing, always double check. Make sure all the pulleys went in the right way, the threads are where they need to be. Let's go all over again a couple of times. Make sure they are where they need to be. And that's it. That's how you do a belt in the 2014 Town & Country. I'm just gonna tuck this a little bit more. And that's the job.